Hello, my dear viewers, my dear rail fans. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Rail Adda, all about trains, all types of trains. And today I am in Kolhapur and I'll be doing one amazing, wonderful journey in train number 20673, that is Kolhapur Pune Vande Bharat Express. I had actually covered Hubli Pune Vande Bharat Express 1 month back, and now I will be covering Kolhapur Pune Vande Bharat Express. So before that, let's begin with the station tour. This is how Kolhapur railway station looks like. There are some constructions going on Kolhapur. So it is Shri Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Terminal, Kolhapur. So since we are in Kolhapur, let's know something about Kolhapur. Kolhapur is also called as Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Terminal. Why is it called Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj Terminal? Because there was a king who ruled from 1874 till 1922 in Kolhapur, and his name was Rajashri Shahu. He belonged to Bhonsle dynasty. And thing is, he was a true democrat and he made many social reforms in Kolhapur. He took so many actions to actually bring up the backward classes here in Kolhapur. He established various colleges and also provided many employment opportunities as well. He was the first king of Kolhapur under the princely state under the British Raj from 1900 to 1922. That is the reason why there is so much of respect for Shahu Maharaj, and that's the reason why Kolhapur is named after him. That is Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj.
bottles, teacups, napkins, diapers, papers, tissue papers and polythene bags, etc. in the toilet dustbin only. Putting this garbage in the toilet commode causes it to get choked and becomes unusable due to
आपको है ना कितने करने
So actually, the rake sharing is happening for this train. So today is a Monday. This train is traveling from Kolhapur to Pune. It departs from Kolhapur at 8:15 and reaches Pune by around 1:15. So from Kolhapur, from Pune, the same train departs at 2:30 to Hubli and goes to Hubli today. The same rake. Tomorrow morning again at 5:30 the train leaves from Hubli and reaches Pune, and tomorrow from Pune the train comes back to Kolhapur. So it is basically train number 20669 and 20670, that is Hubballi Pune, Pune Hubballi, and 20673 and 20674, that is Kolhapur Pune and Pune Kolhapur, for which the rake sharing is happening. That is the reason why this is running as a tri-weekly train between Hubballi to Pune, Pune to Hubballi, and Kolhapur to Pune and Pune to Kolhapur. So we have come to our third official halt, that is Kirloskarwadi. The train was supposed to reach here at 9:42. It's 1 minute early arrival, and the train halts here for 2 minutes. So the Hubli Pune Vande Bharat doesn't stop at Kirloskarwadi and Karad. It only stops at Satara after Sangli, and then reaches Pune. But Kolhapur Pune Vande Bharat, since it is running only in Maharashtra, it stops at Kirloskarwadi, Karad, and Satara. So two additional stops apart from the one which is given for Hubli Pune Vande Bharat. So basically, Kolhapur Pune Vande Bharat has got stops in Miraj, Sangli, Kirloskarwadi, Karad, and Satara. 5 stops until it reaches Pune.
Vande Bharat Express are fitted with modern biovacuum toilet system. Please throw waste like bottles, teacups, napkins, diapers, papers, tissue papers and polythene bags, etc. in the toilet dustbin only.
Okay. So, thing is, for the bread, at least the cutlery has to be given, proper cutlery. The spoon was given, but
Putting
the
this
knife was
garbage
not
in the
given.
toilet commode causes it to get choked and
Knife
becomes
would have been
unusable
given,
to
then
which passengers
yeah,
may
everything
have
would
to
have
face
been
problems.
properly done.
Therefore,
The
after
justice would have
using the
been done.
toilet, be
So
sure
anyway,
to press
apart
the
from
button
that,
to flush.
the food was good, the quality of food was good, and as I told you, chutney was missing. Chutney would have added for the taste of upma, but that is something which was missing. Cutlet was really good, it was tasting good. So I would rate breakfast at 8 out of 10. So I already told you that this is a ride sharing of for Hubli Pune Vande Bharat as well. So I have actually put that Hubli Pune first commercial run, which I have already done a month back, in this video as a related video. So you can watch that video to know the features of the coach, that is the chair car and executive class. Since it is the same ray, I am not doing it again. So you can refer that video to know the coach features. Apart from that, the journey till now is going on great. The train has to reach Pune at 1:30, 1:15, I guess 1:15 to 1:30. So the first commercial run, the train was delayed by almost 15 to 20 minutes. So today let's see the promptness of the train, because this is a premium train and the promptness matters a lot. If it is early arrival, we are happy, but if it is late, cheap factor will come. So let's see. So the time is 10:15 now, and we have reached our fourth official halt, that is Karad. The train was supposed to come here at 10:07 and depart at 10:10. So we are already delayed by around 8 minutes. There are a couple of track works going on in road. That's the reason for delay. Anyway, the time what we reach to Pune is what matters. So let's see what time we will reach Pune.
Doors are closing. The seat button. प्रवासासाठी शुभेच्छा देते. भारतीय रेल आपकी सुखद एवं आरामदायक यात्रा की कामना करती है. Indian Railways wishes you a happy and comfortable journey.
So the time is 11:20 now, and we have reached our final and fifth official halt, that is Satara. The train was supposed to come here at 10:47 and leave by 10:50. There's a delay of almost 33 minutes because of the track work that is going on en route. So let's see what time we will reach Pune.
गंतव्य स्टेशन पुणे जंक्शन पहुंच रहे हैं। We are about to reach our destination, Pune Junction. ट्रेन पूर्ण थांबल्यानंतरच कृपया काळजीपूर्वक उतरा।
So we have reached Pune at 1:30 sharp. There was no delay. Initially in Satara there was a delay of around 30 minutes, so I thought maybe the train might get delayed in Pune as well, but no, it has made it, and it has reached Pune at 1:30 on dot. Coming to the review part, promptness I would like to rate at 9 out of 10. The food I would like to rate at around 7 out of 10. Cleanliness 8 out of 10. The courtesy of staff 9 out of 10, and overall comfort 9 out of 10. So overall I would like to rate it at around 8 to 8.5 out of 10. So with this I'll be concluding the vlog. You can also see my Hubballi Pune, the same rake sharing Vande Bharat Express first commercial run, to know the features of the coach, and I've covered many other things in that. Since this is the same rake, and it is almost the same route from Miraj to Pune, I've not covered much. With this I'll be concluding this vlog. See you until next time. Take care and bye bye. If you're watching my vlog for the first time, please take some time to like the video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel and motivate me to do more such contents.